Huayan Monastery, Buddhist temple again. I know some buildings in the temple are rebuilt, some are original. I don't know which is which. Fresco painting by a modern artist in China. The yellow part is gold, coated with gold, so it's very 3D. Nice work. The two sacred animals on the roof top. In Chinese, they are Chiwen, son of the dragon. So it has a head of the dragon but a fish tail. In Chinese legendary story, this animal produces rain, so it's good to keep this wooden structure in safe condition. 大雄宝殿 Treasure Hall of Great Sage. This building was built 900 years ago. Original one. Another old wooden structures built in Liao Dynasty and destroyed later, so rebuilt in Jin Dynasty, over 900 years old. And it's a grand building. Zhu 24 Zhu by the sides. They are the guardians and students of Buddha. Incense burner. Very old. You can tell. Lotus. That's interesting. Right outside of the temple is Christian church. It's almost like a library where they kept all the Buddhist scriptures.
所以说，因其其独特代表性，这露齿啊、露背、露足全国独一无二，也就只有这一尊，所以称为华严寺的代言人。大同地区的宣传文献之一。大殿除了塑像之外，我们之前所介绍过，这座大殿是作为。
Its building and the statues are all 982 years, so means 18 years later, all of them will be 1,000 years old. And this is Buddha in teaching posture, so all the Bodhisattvas statues are a little bit leaning forward as if they were listening to his teaching attentively. The three statues represent Buddha in past life, present life, future life. Okay.